How to create cards in Trello. Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn how you can create cards in Trello. Creating cards in Trello is a simple process that helps you organize text, ideas and projects, and here is how to do it. The first step is to sign in into your Trello account. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to your home page automatically, and then by the left side of the screen you'll see some options, namely but template home. All right. If you're on your own page, ensure you navigate you to the bots page and then you click on your bots. And then once you click on bots and you're brought to the bots page, you can see templates and then you can see your recently created bots. So the next step is to select the bots that you would like to add a card to or create a card for. So once you click on the bot and then you're brought to the bot interface, you can see that for the first thing you will see is add another list, right? Or add a list. So after adding a list, you would see that immediately below the list or the below the list title, you will see the writing add a card. So the next step is to just click on add the card and then you have to type or enter in a title for this card. So the cards could be, for example, let's say credit card, and then once you're done, click enter. And then to edit this particular card, click on the card and then move to the right side of the field slated for the card and then click on the personal icon. Once you click on the personal icon, the next thing you will do is to customize this card by inputting the card details, which include labels, members, covers, dates, move, copy, or archive. So to edit labels, just click on labels and then you can now attach labels to this particular card. All right. And then once you're done, close the page and then you can also change the members assigned to the card by searching out the members or your board members. And also you can change the cover of the card by clicking on change cover and then you wait for the page to load. Okay. So once it has loaded, you can see the covers available. So you can see the colors available, or you can just upload a cover image, or you can use any of the image in here. Then once you selected an image, you can see that the card will be given an image. And notice that this image should be according to the title of the card or the card, according to the details of the card. Then you can edit the date, you can move the card, you can copy the card, and when you are done, just click on save, and just like that, a card has been created for your board, as you can see here. So this is basically how you can create cards in Trello. Thanks for watching and I'm sure you have a great time.